detergent formulators, enzyme blends expand stain coverage. Protease, amylase, lipase, cellulase, and mannanase, working in one wash. Protease breaks down protein stains like blood and food residue, while amylase cuts starch soils from sauces and grains. Lipase hydrolyzes fats and oils to lift greasy soils, while cellulase polishes cotton fibers for a brighter, cleaner look. Mannanase attacks gar and gum thickeners in food stains, and the blend stays active in cold water to help save wash energy. Together, these enzymes target stain chemistry instead of relying only on heat, giving powder and granulated detergents dependable performance. Source detergent enzyme powders and granulated grades direct from the manufacturer from 1 kilogram. Visit enzymes.bio